everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe. So we bought this as a world surprise box. So let's open it, everybody. Open! Open! It comes with 8 surprises. And we got a golden ball. Ooh.
Can I help you?
I opened it. I opened it. Okay. First is this. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's a poster. Oh, see, I think we're supposed to be getting this first. Let me just open this first. What is this? What is this for? Oh! I just broke it. Are we supposed to be breaking it? I don't know. First, we gotta see this is the checklist where you checklist the name. Oh! This is all we can get, everybody. This is all we can get.
There you go.
You gotta read what's the name, everybody.
Blackbelt? Is that her name?
Yeah, I think this is Blackbelt. Okay, let's open this now. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is our clothes. Let me show you what we got so far. Let's see what's here. I think this is her water bottle. The water bottles are squishy. Oh, it's our water bottle. Okay, open this. What is this? What is this? What is this?
Which one is her?
Oh, it says on here she's supposed to be holding it.
Oh, okay. She will be holding it then. So she's this one in the middle.
Let's open the doll, everybody. Can't wait. Wow. Whoa. She's super cute. Look, everybody. She's cute, right? Okay. Let's put on her clothes now. Okay. Help me, everybody. Help me, everybody. Thank you, everybody. Woo! It's a string! Yay!
Oops.
We're celebrating New Year's! Yay! Woo!
Okay.
Look at her now. That's how she looks like. She's supposed to be holding it. Look at her. Hi, my name is what?
Blackbelt.
Hi, my name is Blackbelt, and I'm super cute and I'm shy.
This one. How? Okay. You stand her up there.
No, let me see.
Like this.
No, I think
Look.
this.
So you stand her up
Okay.
right there.
Okay, now what?
Mm.
Slide her.
I think so.
Oh,
Oh, you can also rotate her like that. Rotate. It says she can spit, right? Can she?
yeah.
You give her water.
Okay, good.
Give her water. Okay, give her more water.
Let's squeeze.
Spit.
This is a funny video.